Hello everyone! Welcome to Zepl's how-to video series. In this video, we're going to look at some of the data that's located in Kafka brokers. I'm running Kafka instance on AWS, so I'm going to grab this IP and start the service. And first, I'm going to make sure that my private key has the correct permission on it by doing a chmod. Next, I'm going to SSH to the AWS instance with Kafka running. So I'm going to grab the IP from my AWS instance and plug it into here to connect. After that, we're going to start the services by running Confluent start Kafka. The next thing that we're going to do is generate some data with the KSQL CLI. For this particular one, we're going to use DataGen. And we're going to generate some clickstream data to a topic that's in JSON format. The max interval specifies in milliseconds how long we are going to wait between each record. And iteration basically tells us how many records we are going to generate. If we don't specify it, it's going to default to 1,000,000. We're going to run the Kafka console consumer command to consume from the topic on the Kafka side to show what the generated JSON actually looks like. This includes the message key, which in this case is the request IP. Now we're going to log into our Zepl notebook. The first 3 lines is basically using the dependency loader to import dependencies. For this particular case, we are going to use the Kafka dependencies for structure streaming. And before we do all of that, we also need to reset so that we can clean out any previous dependencies. And we are going to configure our Spark structure streaming to point to the external IP Kafka is running on. Also, in this Spark structure streaming session, we can define the schema of the data. Lastly, in cell number 3, we can specify the SQL that we're going to use to process the clickstream data. And as you can see, it's very easy to visualize the data by click on different charts. At the end, if you're only using this for a test, you can destroy your Kafka cluster. Thank you for watching our video today.